Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to withdraw crypto from Crypto.com to another wallet or exchange. So guys, firstly we need to start by of course explaining you how this is done. So you just need to have of course two exchanges, so from which you will be sending crypto to which one. So in my case I will be sending crypto from my Crypto.com to another wallet of mine that I have. So let me firstly explain to you how to begin with this. So if you want to send crypto to another wallet, you just go into your accounts. Then you go to crypto. And from here you press on transfer. Of course, before transferring, make sure that you have some balance in your account. And say, for example, I have some Ethereum, for instance, right? So how I do this, how do I transfer? I go to Ethereum. And then I go transfer, then I press on withdraw because we're withdrawing to another wallet, and then from here in the menu you choose external wallet on the bottom. Then you're pressing on a plus to add a new crypto address and press on wallet address. And in here we choose Ethereum, and in here we will be given this little menu. And from here, we need to now navigate to our second wallet. And as you can see, we will be able to insert the wallet address of our second exchange to which we are transferring and withdrawing our cash from Crypto.com. And then we will proceed with the transfer. Alright, so now I am in my second wallet. In here, I press on deposit. In here, I choose crypto deposit. In here, you need to find Ethereum once again. And now, as you can see, I have my address. So I just copy the address as so. And also, guys, something very important is that you always need to choose the same coin in the same network. So as you can see in our example, we are being told send only Ethereum via Ethereum network to this address. If you send Ethereum, same coin, but in a different network, you will lose the funds permanently. So make sure to always choose the same coin and the network on both of your pretty much wallets, and then copy the address. And now, navigating back to our Crypto.com, in here you're just pasting your address like this, paste, and now we can pretty much continue with the transfer. So as you can see, my network is chosen, my Ethereum ERC20, just like it said on my second wallet. I'm just going to input the name, say Ethereum, and then you continue. And do you trust this wallet's address? Yes, of course. And now you choose this address, confirm, and withdraw. And now, as you can see from your balance, you can choose how much Ethereum you want to withdraw and then proceed with withdrawal. Pretty easy, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.